Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, this is the second video. In first video, we have imported this plan. Then we have assigned the loads and analyzed the building. Okay. So in this video, we are going to design this project on RCDC. For that, you need to go to the file. Click on file. Then go to export. ETAP table to access. In this, click on model and analysis. Click on OK. Now set your units like meter and kilonewton. Generally we work. Then click on OK. Now you have to save this project. Save. Then go to that folder again. Make sure that it has complete size. So I will refresh it. Sometimes complete size not come in first step, so we have to refresh it. Until a constant figure come. Okay, 2056. This is the final. So we have to import this file in our RCDC. Okay. First open the RCDC. Now give the name of client, engineer and details. Now come to this and select where you have saved that file. Select that file, click on open. Now suppose you have to design footing, so create new project. Okay, so this is the footing details. So here you can modify some things like rename from bottom to top, so that we can get the column number from bottom to top. Now go to setting, general setting. Here you can select the points as you want, like if you want check for sliding and check for overturning, and if you don't want the steel here, you can keep select your net SBC. Okay, then grade of concrete, grade of steel also you can select here. Clear cover, then PCC thickness, what is the general practice in your area, what is the offset of the PCC, suppose 75 mm. So you have to study all these practices in your region, and then you have to give the input. Okay, then suppose depth of footing is 1.5 meter, and then you can click on OK. Go to setting, reinforcement setting. Then if you want minimum 8 mm bar or 10 mm bar, as per that you can select minimum bottom steel, top steel. Okay, minimum shear steel. So these are the reinforcement details as per the code. Now click on OK. Go to settings, basic load cases. So select here dead, live, and this is also dead case. So select this, click on OK. Now add from analysis. Okay, then go to sizing. Here for regular structure you can do, or you can add from analysis also. In add from analysis you can click on SBC. If you want sliding and overturning, you can keep the check. In detail I will make another video. So for overview, you can just do sometimes. Okay, so click on OK. And now just go to design and make auto design. So details we have here. So go to report. If you want a horizontal schedule, you can get here. So here you can see the 115 by 1000 thickness, then depth is 300 and bars are 10 mm bar at 250 center to center, long and short direction. Okay, so this is the detail of footing. You also can take the cross section also, detail drawing. So what you want section and all these details will be given like this. So depth will be 300 mm, then 75 will be the offset, PCC thickness will be 100. So you can check as per your given input, you can check this output also. Okay, then you can save this project. If you want to save all this file, there is a save option, from that you can save. Okay, so this is for footing. So you can save this file. Now you can go for column also. Select that same file again and click on column and wall, create new project. So here in level data, you can check the concrete, steel, and you can change the cover. Okay, you can keep the cover 40 also. Okay, now design setting. These are general design settings. So you can make changes as you want. If you want ductile design, you can click here. Then reinforcement setting, here there is a column percentage, steel minimum is 0.4, but I think as per our IS code it is 0.8. okay, then you can maintain the spacing here. Then here you can minimum bar 12 mm. If you want to restrict, you can select 20 mm bar will be the maximum. Then shear reinforcement will be here, and other details you can keep as it is. Click on OK. Now go to basic load case, same procedure, dead, live, dead. Click on OK, add from analysis, OK. Then you can go for auto design, means you can change as you want. Okay, so almost all the columns pass the condition. So here you can check the report. Okay, so sorry. So this is column C1, 8 bars of 12 mm, size will be 230 by 380. So these are the details. This is related to the column. I will make another video on RCDC in which I will go in depth for every footing, column, beam and slab. Okay, so here you can save this project as a column. Again repeat the process. Now suppose I want to design the beam at first floor. Actually minimum 13 stations are required for the beam. So go to ETF file and select all the beams and then mark their minimum 13 stations. Okay, then and then only you can input it. So I have another file here that I can open, in which I have maintained these 13 stations. So go to file, new, just give the name. Same project that I have made. So go to beam, I will select first floor. I will show you how to make 13 stations. Okay, so I will show you the design process of beam. This is the general setting. You can select the maximum bar size 16 or 20 mm. Then M20 FE415 clear cover you can change if you want. So these are the general details. Then go to basic load case, go to date, live, date, select OK. Add from analysis. This is add from analysis means from your ETAP file you have given the combination. Okay, now start detailing. So all the beams have been passed. There will be a size of 230 by 380 mm and material M20415. So similarly you can generate the report of text schedule. So this is the schedule. There will be remarks if there is any cantilever. Okay, so this is the way you can design the beam. And for file, now go to file, save this project. Now if you want to design the slab, again go to same file and go to slab. I want to design first floor slab. So here all the slabs have been marked. Imposed load, live load, thickness is there. Whatever we have assigned in ETAB will get reflected here. So there are panel types are there. So here you can see S2 slab is there. That means two adjacent edges are discontinuous. So it will design the slab as a two adjacent edges discontinuous. Imposed load 1, live load 1, thickness. It will calculate the dead load. So this is simple. Go to setting, design parameters. I want bent up bars. Okay, preferred diameter is 8 mm. I want in terms of spacing. So minimum spacing 100, maximum 300, round off will be at 5. So it will make round off in terms of 5. That means 100, 125, 130 like that. So here you can see cantilever 7, simply supported 20, continuous 26. So and for two-way slab, simply supported 28, continuous 32. So you can click OK here. And you can start the design. And you can take the text schedule by using similar groups. So this is the way you can get the design. You can still make some modifications so that there will be a proper schedule. But I have just shown you the overall method. I will make in detail for every footing, column, slab and beam. So this is the way you can design the project from ETAB to RCDC. And that one point I will cover, that minimum 13 station, in my next video. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe Real Civil YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.